Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now you are watching this video from Hungary. A strong storm hits the Toalmas area in Hungary. It becomes to Pest county in Hungary area. June 10th, 2022. This one from Azerbaijan country. Due to heavy rains, these floods and one of the landslide is happened in this region. Now this video from Bosnia Herzegovina. Due to heavy rains, these floods are happened. After heavy rains, flooding is happened in Celic area. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.